Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. This time of year, it's time that you can't do anything outside, too much, but you can work on projects in the house. Yep, I use my kitchen as a wood shop. That's okay, cleaned it up, it's like it never happened. I want to show you, I marked out all my studs with my stud finder and I'll put blue tape on because I'm going to start putting the wainscoting on pretty soon. I already went out and put urethane, a clear urethane, in a kind of like a warm matte finish. I don't want anything too popping, but I want it, I want it subtle. Something I actually didn't even do with the other trim in the house. Kind of funny, door gets, actually a door's near moisture, you should have it sealed. I actually urethaned it last night on the back side after I stained on the front side. So, this video is about, I'm going to show you where every stud I located is, and I want you to pay close attention. A little close. That is where it said there's something electrical in there. I don't remember seeing anything, but it doesn't mean it don't exist. That is crazy. Yeah, they weren't thinking too much. Seems like the further away to get from the tongue, shit gets worse. What do you think of that? Some of the staples don't go into anything. Honest to God, manufacturing today, or in this case, back in '96. So as you see, it's just, if you've seen the previous videos, things were just in the form of jacked up. Now I added some extra studs to get better strength. Now when I put this drywall back, I used staples. Well, I'm going to be using some screws. I want to be sure that this drywall don't pop off. So let me show you what I plan on putting on this wall. It's not an exact match. I want you to look at it very carefully. I know there's a slight variance in color, but it's the only thing I can find. Oh yeah, look at the manufacturer made the hole for the outlet. A bunch of retards. Nothing against retards, but these people are just not too smart. And that's what I'm replacing. Now you notice the height. I plan on running that thing, and I'll show you. Now, that one there was like 27 inches or something like that. Originally, it came up to here. I'm going to run it close. It's going to be running up to here. I'm running the full 32 inches. I think it will look better. And this stuff over here, existing, now that stuff, it's one thing off. Now what I plan on doing between this and what I got in my office there, I plan on putting that in my bedroom, but it'll be cut down a little lower. That way I don't have to buy anything for in there. Now hopefully, out of the 12 feet, hopefully I have enough room between these and what's there to do it. If not, well, I guess I'll have to do something else. But anyways, this is what I wanted to show you. I got a lot of tap, 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 and I got a lot of screws. I got my, haven't had my breakfast yet, but I got some screws, got a hammer, got my drill to Phillips, got the clutch set. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure everything below the 42 inches or 32 inches is secure. Then I'm probably going to have to cut the first one. Almost guaranteed I'm going to have to cut it. And then I'll start putting the wainscoting up. Go all the way down until I get close to the door, because I still gotta wait for that trim to cure. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.